Poppin' tags, YSL, smoking gas.
YouTube, what's good? So I'm back in the building, your boy 4DP. You know, I'm back with another video. All right, so this video is going to be about the 5 things I hate about my 2008 Honda Accord. So, you know, I'm not going to keep talking. I'm going to just cut straight to it. Number 1, the first thing I absolutely hate about this car is the interior. Now, right now, it don't apply to me no more because I changed it to black and stuff. But before I had it, it was like this ugly ass color. Like whoever made this interior, not the setup. The setup is pretty cool. I mean, especially for, you know, this year 08. You know, it's cool. It's not bad. But whoever picked the color scheme, like they should have like got their ass fired. They should have been fired, and they probably have got fired or they took them off the team because the 9th gen and the 10th gen Accords interior are actually pretty good. Even, I mean, like the color scheme and like the setup and all that is like great. But this, the color scheme of this is like trash. I hate it. So I had to change it to black and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I got the black and tan color scheme going on. All right, so number 2, the second thing I hate about this car are the brakes. Like it just feels so numb, and then they go out so quick. And the thing is, I got the EXL, so I get pretty much the same rotor diameter, or the same. I use the same rotors as the V6, which is I think it's a 11.8, and I mean, and it still doesn't feel that good. So if I'm going, like I could be going 60 miles per hour, like where I live at, it's like a highway, and you got traffic like probably a half a mile in between each other. So, you know, you could get up to pretty fast speeds and like say the light turned yellow, and you know that moment where the light turned yellow and you be sitting here thinking like, oh, should I slow down or should I keep going through? At times like that, when you do press the brakes, it just feel like, you know, the car can't stop. I just be like, wow. So I don't like the brake setup. I really don't. Number 3, third thing I hate about this car is the Bluetooth. I hate how the car can only use Bluetooth through a phone call and not music. And I understand. I mean, this 08. I don't think cars even had you could play music through Bluetooth. So I mean, this it's not really like a hate thing. It's like a love-hate thing, but then I also hate it at times because I wish I could play music through Bluetooth. So I mean, whatever it is, I don't understand. Maybe because we didn't have the technology, but I wish I had it, but I don't have it, so that's why I kind of hate it. Number 4, the fourth thing I hate about this Accord is the road noise, man. The road noise is like terrible. Even when I had my old wheels on with like the thicker sidewall and stuff, like the road noise was still bad. So like, you know, they ain't put enough insulation or, you know, padding or sound deadening in here to get rid of the road noise and stuff like that. But I got a solution for that. Last thing, number 5, 5th and last thing I hate is the position of the aux cord. I hate how the aux cord is like right here. And if you got long arms like me, or even you might not even have long arms and still got trouble fucking reaching back in here, trying to, you know, pull it out or put it in, whatever you gotta do to fix it or do whatever, it's like a hassle of getting your arm up in here, especially while you driving. You gotta be able to break your arm to get up in there, twisting your arm up like a pretzel, stuff like that. So I hate that. I hate that. All right, but you know, this is the end of the video. Just, you know, gonna be the 5 things, just real short. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And another thing, hey, go follow my Instagram. My main Instagram is _Vaughn with 4 N's, everything lowercase. It's in the description. Make sure you go follow that. Go follow my channel 4DP. Go follow that Instagram page. Is underscore 4DP, I believe. If not, I'm gonna have a link down in the description, because I can't really remember it right now, because I just made it. But make sure y'all go follow those. Make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm about to start putting these videos out and stuff like that. I'm gonna start grinding like I've been saying. I'm gonna start grinding. I've always been grinding, I guess I can say. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. And you know, this is the end of the video, and I'm out.